What's up guys, and welcome back to Tech Plant. Originally this video was going to be my announcement about how I'm getting married this weekend, and so I might not have a lot of time to make videos for the next week or two, but the coronavirus has canceled my wedding. Our state put a ban in, so we can't have anybody greater than 50, so we're just going to have to do like a small ceremony and kind of postpone the reception. That kind of sucks. One more bad news item for this channel: the spider has died, my little beloved pet spider. I don't know what happened to him or her, whatever it was, but one day it was just kind of sitting there sort of dried up, so that's pretty sad. But they have a short lifespan, so I'm hoping he just got to old age, I guess, when I found him. I don't know. But anyways, I guess this video is just going to be a kind of a basic update on the channel, where we're headed and what's to be expected next. So let's check it out. Some channel good news: both of my shrimp species, the blue dreams and the yellow ones, are pregnant, or at least there's one pregnant female in both tanks. So we should have some new offspring, so that's pretty excited. I'm going to try and document that whole thing so you can kind of see it up close. I'll make special videos about that. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I mean, we got some, at least, you know, the spider may have passed away, but new life begins, so that's always a good thing to look forward to. So I'm excited about that and hope you guys are too. Some people have been asking for updates on the orchids, so here's just some footage about how everything's going. The thing I built is actually doing quite wonderful. I started putting floating plants down in the reservoir to kind of eat up nutrients so we wouldn't get any algae growth in there, because that was kind of an issue. However, when I did clean it, I introduced bleach and soap into the system, and I wasn't thinking in the way I did it, so now I just cannot get rid of it. It's always in there no matter how many water changes I do, how many times I empty it. I swear there's always some bleach bubbles left in the water. But the idea worked out really well, so once I get some more time, I can do it much better. But the orchids themselves are doing pretty well, and they're handling the bleach just fine. Another topic I want to talk about, now that the whole coronavirus thing is going so crazy and everyone's hoarding everything, this is a great time to get into hydroponics and growing indoors. I have some pretty old videos that go about on how to make it, but really you just need a plastic tote and some net pots, and you can grow lettuce pretty quickly and other vegetables indoors with no soil, just water. It's pretty easy, and I think it's very pertinent to nowadays with everybody kind of panicking. It's just a great way to get fresh vegetables all year long in your basement, anywhere you can throw up a grow light. But yeah, definitely check out those videos. It's some very interesting stuff, and I think it's pretty pertinent to, I guess, today's chaos. As some of you may know, I have been posting a lot of aquarium content lately. I'm going to continue doing that, even though it is getting negative subscribers every single time, but whatever. I still want to make videos that I want to make at the end of the day, and a lot of you actually do like it, which is great. So soon I'm going to have some basic product reviews and a little bit more information about all these aquariums that I'm doing, and I just want to expand on that. But don't worry, I do have tons of plant videos in the queue. I'm still making them. I even have a sweet collection I'm going to be showing you pretty soon of a greenhouse I went to. I'm going to show you kind of where I went, what I all picked up. Very cool plants too. But yeah, there's plenty of plant videos down the pipeline, so don't get spooked by some of this aquarium stuff. It's all going to be pretty awesome, so just stay tuned for that. To bring this video kind of to an end and kind of close it up, again, I'm getting married, as I said in the beginning. I know it got canceled and everything, but we're still going to have a tiny ceremony. And besides that, I'm trying to buy a house with this woman. She's also going to be my priority for the next few months. Obviously I'm starting a marriage, so that's going to be important. So some of my videos might not be so consistent and posting and everything, so forgive me for that, but she's going to be my #1 priority, so the channel will kind of take second place. But once we buy a house, the content will explode because I'll have lots of space, and it's going to be really awesome. So stay tuned for that. Stick with me to that. Should only be a few months before we kind of get settled into things and things come back to normal. But as always guys, may your plants grow strong and healthy. I'll see you next time, and stay safe out there.